5 mistakes you must never commit while eating avocado. Greetings, health enthusiasts. Welcome to our Champions Solutions channel, your ultimate destination for all things related to holistic well-being. Whether you're seeking natural remedies, insightful tips, or expert advice on maintaining a healthy lifestyle, you're in for a treat. Our dedicated team of health enthusiasts is here to empower you with knowledge and guide you towards optimum health. Be sure to click that subscribe button below so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today on Healthline Champions, we're talking about 6 mistakes to avoid when eating this delicious fruit. Grab your avocados and let's dive in. First up, don't try to eat an underripe avocado. It's not just disappointing, it's also hard and tasteless. Ever cut into an avocado and found it rotten inside? That's why you need to avoid picking ones with a mushy texture. While it's tempting to just scoop out the flesh, avoid using a metal spoon to avoid discoloration of the avocado. And speaking of discoloration, make sure to cover any leftover avocado with plastic wrap to prevent it from turning brown. Another common mistake is to remove the pit before cutting the avocado. Doing this can result in accidental injuries. Remember, the pit helps to keep the avocado fresh, so only remove it after cutting the avocado into halves. Last but not least, don't forget to check for ripeness by gently squeezing the avocado. It should yield slightly to pressure. There you have it, 6 mistakes you should never commit while eating avocado. Join our community of like-minded individuals and embark on a journey of self-care and vitality. Subscribe now for more enriching content and discover the power of health remedy solutions.